Yeah.
Hey, this is Ollie with Soleil Math. I'm going to do some trig, sine and cosine functions. All right, 7.5 part 2, properties of trig functions. Now, we already know that the tangent equals sine and cosine, and the cotangent equals cosine over sine. What we need to find out is, and we also know that secant equals 1 over cosine and cosecant equals 1 over sine. What makes each undefined? So what makes something a fraction undefined? Cannot have a 0 in the denominator. Can't have that. So what makes, when we find out when the cosine is 0. So if we look on our unit circle that I have somewhere, the cosine is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Because this is cosine comma sine. This is cosine comma sine. So this would be where the sine is 0, and this would be where the cosine is 0. So the cosine is always 0 at the halves. So this is 1, and this will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's odd multiples of pi over 2. Odd multiples of pi over 2. So this is the same thing because cosine is on the bottom for both tangent and secant. Now, to look where the sine is 0, that is 0, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. So these are not integers. This is just integers, integer multiples of pi. Same thing here, integer multiples of pi. So this is when the sine theta is 0. And if we don't remember that, we can always look at the unit circle to find it. So make sure to like, share, and follow. Send it to your friends who need to know some math, because y'all are the smartest ones.